Let's relax our shoulders and close our eyes. Take a deep inhale through the nose.
Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Sharina J. All right, loves, listen. I just ended off the other vlog and we're just gonna pick right back up and keep it moving with the next vlog. I just woke up. It's like noon on a Sunday. But sometimes you need to wake up at noon on a Sunday. Sometimes that's just necessity for life. I think I want some hookah right now. I don't know. I own this hookah thing that I super cute. Non-tobacco hookah. So it's like herbal shisha. So yeah, I might light that up and set it up on the porch. Let me go out here because I do need to clean off this porch. So let me see. I don't know. Today's chill. I might have a date later on, so we'll see how that goes. How I'm feeling and everything. Y'all know guys be flaky. They'll invite you out and then they'll disappear. I never got time for y'all shit. But we'll see. This thing is pretty cool, so we'll see. But yeah, the wind out here is winding. I'm probably come out here and sweep a little bit, straighten up a little bit, wipe things down, get some of this pollen off, and come out here and chill maybe. It's a little chilly, so I don't know. This might happen today, this might happen another day, but yeah, it looks like a little tornado hit, so. All right, y'all. I'm about to sit down and put this Easter basket together. So let's do that, because I think that'll be cute. So let's go ahead and get that done. And then it's out of the way, and I don't got to worry about it for the rest of the week. Y'all remember when y'all used to get the little Easter baskets and they would have a newspaper at the bottom? And you'd be like, why is my damn Easter basket mostly in newspaper? That's because we need the stuff that's on the top. So I got some newspaper. So let's get to it. What's up, vlog? So I just got back from a date. It was okay. It was, you know, it gave. I'm about to take this makeup off. I just noticed that I have a zit. I don't even know when this came. This wasn't even there before the date, I don't feel like. But it's that time of month and it is what it is. But I'm about to take this makeup off and get into bed. I have to work in the morning. You know, until my transition is complete, I have to work, so it is what it is. But I had a nice time. Yeah, we went to Hibachi. The food was good. The food was amazing. Actually, it's this place called Geisha. Their food is good. If you're in Virginia, Chesapeake, you know what Geisha is, go get you some because it was good. The conversation was nice. He was a nice guy. So we'll see if that goes anywhere. But yeah, so I told y'all before, dating is hard. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and clean up and hop into some night clothes, find something on TV, maybe get a cup of tea because I had too much sake. The sake was good. It was lychee sake. That was really good. I might just go there and get a bottle. It was good. But yeah, so let me just get to it. I just wanted to check in on the vlog and just update y'all because y'all know y'all here with me. You there, I'm here, we together. Okay, loves. So I'm laying here and I'm chilling, and I just realized that I was like, I wanted to tell them about this probiotic. I gotta put y'all on. This is the pimple patch that I was telling y'all about. I got this from TJ Maxx. It was like maybe $6.99, $5.99 or something like that for a box of like 50 of them. But you put it on there, and tomorrow morning this pimple should be gone. But anyway, this is what I want to tell y'all about. This is called and it is a probiotic kombucha. It's delicious. It's got like half the sugar, as because kombucha can be extra sweet, and this one has literally only 8 grams of sugar total. There are 9 carbs in there, so it could still fit into a low carb diet, only 35 calories. And this flavor is the mango passion fruit. This is the best flavor they have. They also have like blueberry mint and like a strawberry lemonade. This passion fruit mango one is the absolute best. This right here, I'm gonna just flip the screen for y'all. This right here, this is a real MVP. Now, it will get you regular, if you know what that means. If you're feeling bloaty, if you're feeling backed up, drink that. But sis, be prepared, within 8 hours you will get unbacked up and unbloated. But it's really good. I like it. I drink at least once a day. I drink it once a day. I actually happen to get them on sale. They were buy one get one free. I get them from Farm Fresh in my area. We have not a Farm Fresh, a Food Lion. I don't know. I'm sure they probably sell them at Walmart and stuff like that. But this one was, I think they're like $2.99 normally, but they were buy one get one free. So I got a bunch of them. Good morning, y'all. Rise and shine. The pimple patches, I feel like, did what they were supposed to do. I'm about to get my life together, put on some gym clothes, and I'm gonna do yoga this morning. So, oh man, just so y'all know, my yoga, I do it with Black Yogi Nico Marie. She's amazing. Voice is so soothing. She's very instructional. I'm a beginner, intermediate level at best. And she always gives like alternate moves for moves. She lets you know it's okay to not be able to do every single move, to take breaks when you need to, and it's just amazing. She does like 30-day yoga, not trials, 30-day yoga challenges. And so it's just yoga for straight 30 days, every single day for 30 days. It's usually a short 20 to 30 minute session, and you just do it every single day. She did one back in, I feel like October for fall. I feel like we just did one in Virginia. We just did one in January for Pisces season or Aquarius season, Aquarius moon rising. I can't remember, but they're all still on her page. I'll go ahead and link her page down below. This is what it looks like here. But yeah, please check her out. She's amazing. And if it's not linked down below, then it'll be the video at the end of this video. So just wait for the little end screen and there'll be some linked videos. But yeah, I'm about to get into that. First, I'm gonna get myself together, wash my face, brush my teeth, set some mood, candles, you know, let some sunshine in, and then yeah. All right, y'all, when I was getting ready to work out, washing my face, doing all the things, I noticed that one of my pimples didn't dry up from the pimple patch. So I did this detoxifying moon mask. It's from Glossier, just like the other mask from the other video. I'll link that video. But this one is the Mega Green Galaxy Pack Detoxifying Mask. This is what it looks like. It's from Glossier. And this is what the top looks like. But this is my second purchase of this mask. This is still the first one. It's pretty much empty though, but I have another one as well. But this is amazing. It dries up. When it's done, all the detoxes on your face will be done. You leave it on for 20 minutes. So that's what I'm about to do. And then after I finally get this off, I might apply another pimple patch, because this one, you see, it's angry. Why are you angry with me? What'd I do to you? But it's that time of the month, so shit happens. So yeah, I'm going to let this sit for 15-20 minutes, just log in, check some emails, that kind of thing, and then we can hop into the yoga.
Money comes to me easily. Money comes to me fast. Money loves my company. When money comes, it lasts. Peace comes to me easily. Peace comes to me fast. Peace loves my company. When peace comes, it lasts. Joy comes to me easily. Joy comes to me fast. Joy loves my company. When joy comes, it lasts. Love comes to me easily. Love comes to me fast. Love loves my company.
So let's get started in an easy seated position, whatever that means for you. And today we're going to use the Bhairava Mudra, and that is supposed to be good for bringing harmony and balance into your life. So all you need to do is rest your hands on your lap and rest your right hand on top of your left hand, palms facing upward. Let's relax our shoulders and close our eyes. Take a deep inhale through the nose.
That was an amazing session. I feel so relaxed. I gotta get ready to start my day. I'm about to get some coffee and all of that. I had to put on another pimple patch, but it's okay. It's gonna be gone by tonight. I ain't got time. But yeah, I'm about to get some coffee, finish checking my emails, get my life together, and I'll holla at y'all later. What's up, y'all? I'm sitting here watching Love is Blind. Yo, this season already is crazy, but if you know, you know. If you don't know, go ahead and watch. Go back and watch the other seasons. It get wild. But it's the next day. So I've been working today and you know, just handling life, because as an adult, that's what we have to do. I'm hungry right now though, so I think I'm gonna get up and make something to eat. I was thinking like fried shrimp or something, I don't know. But we about to figure it out, so let's just hop into it, because baby, that's just hungry. y'all, these shrimp was so good. I completely forgot to close out the vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all next time. Peace.